Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a rainbow bee and flower. Let's start drawing. I start with its eyes, its mouth, and a shape of its head. I'm drawing antenna. Trying to draw and paint with me, followed by its body. I'm going to draw the whole with lines to make 6 parts. Here is a sting. I'm drawing wings and also hearts. Let's draw a flower right here. Bees like flower very much. It's going to be so beautiful after the painting. I'm going to paint with rainbow colors. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Pink. I love drawing and painting so much. Red.
In Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not run.
Light blue.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy.
Bees produce honey. Honey is so sweet. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Bee stings are so painful. You mustn't touch bees. Blue. Purple. Brown. Red.
Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Green. It looks so amazing. See you on the next video.